Hey, respected sir and madam, and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. Myself Keshav Rantesh Roy. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshit tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar regarding refraction of plane surfaces. Today I want to share important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark questions. So my humble advice is to watch my seminar video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let us start seminar. Yes. Do you know what is refraction? This question may be asking in coming examination for 1 mark. And this question was previously repeated for 4 times. Refraction is nothing but the changing of medium from one surface to another surface regarding their speed is known as refraction. In refraction there are two mediums. One is rarer medium, another one is denser medium. In the rarer medium the speed of light is more, and in denser medium the speed of light is less. It is because of the speed of change is so high, so that only the refraction will took place. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index is nothing but it is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum by it is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum by it is the ratio of speed of light in medium is known as absolute refractive index. The formula of absolute refractive index is n is equal to c by v. C is nothing but vacuum, v is nothing but medium. This is the formula of absolute refractive index. Next one, relative refractive index. The relative refractive index is nothing but it is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to first medium to it is the ratio of speed of light in second medium. This is known as a relative refractive index. The formula of relative refractive index is n21 is equal to n1 by n2 is the formula of relative refractive index. Another formula of relative refractive index is n21 is equal to n2 by n1. It is the formula of relative refractive index. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Now I want to say an experiment. The experiment is the aim of this experiment is CD with glass slab. First of all, take a cardboard and take one protractor. With the help of protractor, draw some measurements on the cardboard with the help of pencil, and keep a D-shaped glass slab on the cardboard and mark the label of D-shaped glass slab. After that, keep that D-shaped glass slab away, and now take protractor and draw all the measurements in the cardboard and take one laser light and keep that D-shaped glass slab on the cardboard, and take one laser light and keep that laser light on the correct 0 degree or 10 degree line. If you keep that 0 degree or 10 degree line, we will find out that the change of speed of light in medium from rarer medium to denser medium. This is known as Snell's law. Here the sin I by sin r is equal to constant. It obeys Snell's law. Snell's law is nothing but the angle of incidence and angle of refraction is known as Snell's law. And are you understood? I hope you all are understood. And let us enter into another topic. The another topic is optical illusion. Based on optical illusion, a mirage is there. Mirage is nothing but it is an optical illusion where the water appear on the road during hot summer also. This is known as optical illusion. Mirage, the formation of mirage. This question may be asking for 8 marks in coming examinations, and this was previously asked for 4 times. The mirage is nothing but it is an optical illusion where appear water on the road. The formation of mirage is when the sunlight falls on the clouds. On the time, the shadow of the clouds will fall on the road. Based on this, the shadow of the clouds was formed on the road. This is known as mirage. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is optical fibers. Do you know what are optical fibers? These are very tiny and these are microscopic. These are used in telecommunications. That refractive index of optical fibers are 2.4 and these are total internal reflection, and these are endoscopes. Endoscopes means is there any problem in our stomach? On the time we will see that problem with the help of endoscopes. Based on in this way, the telecommunications and optic fibers are used. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is shining of diamond. Shining of diamond. The shining of a diamond is mostly based on total internal reflection. Total internal reflection means the reflection was inside the object is known as total internal reflection. The critical angle of diamond is 2.42 degrees. Refractive index of critical angle diamond is 2.4. This is the critical angle and refractive index of shining of diamond. When the light falls on the diamond on the time, automatically the total internal reflection takes place. Total internal reflection is nothing but the reflection took place in the object is known as a total internal reflection. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. I want to say another activity which was asked in previous examinations for 4 times. This question may be asking in coming examination for 8 marks. The question is write the glass lab activity. The glass lab activity. First aim of this glass lab activity is to find the change in medium with the help of glass slab. Materials required: glass slab, 4 pins, 1 scale, 1 pencil, and 1 chart and 1 cardboard. These are the materials required. And procedure of this activity is first of all take a cardboard and keep 1 glass slab on it, and after that take 1 pencil, take its measurements with the help of pencil on the cardboard. After that keep glass slab on it. When you keep glass slab, we will observe the change in medium. And take 1 light and keep that pins crossly in the cardboard with the help of cotton or any sponge. You will find out that the refraction will take place. When you see the pins from one medium to another medium, the the refraction will took place. This is because of refraction. Refraction is nothing but the bending of light from one medium to another medium. This is known as refraction. We will observe this. The Snell's law and refraction both will take place in this activity. Based on this, another activity is there. Refraction of CD with straws. This is the main activity. This question may be asking you for coming examination for 8 marks, and this was previously asked for 4 times. And the aim of this activity is to find the refraction of straws by seeing from outside of the water. Materials required: one beaker or any bowl. Take one CD and straws and one pin. Cut the straw into 2 halves and fix that both 2 straws at the middle of the CD, and mark the measurements on the CD with the help of a protractor. If you mark the protractor measurements on the protractor, you will definitely find out that the readings are 0 degree, 10 degree, 30 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree and 90 degree. If you when you keep the straw in 90 degree, you will keep that straight to it another straw. You will find out that the change in medium because of the refraction is took place. Where observation, the straw, another straw which was kept in water, the slightly bent. It is because of we will conclude that the refraction is took place in this activity. This all based on refraction. Are you understood? I want to repeat again which are important questions are there in this chapter. The first important question is, what is refraction? The second one is, write the activity of D-shaped glass slab. The third question is, write the activity of CD with straws. The fourth one is, write the activity of glass slab. And the fifth question is, write about mirage formation. The seventh one is, write about optical fibers. The eighth one is, right, what are the main causes of because of diamond twinkling of diamond. These are the very important questions which are asked previously, and these questions may be asking in coming examinations for 1 mark, 2 mark and 4 mark and 8 marks. Thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.